All right, Lake Conestee Nature Preserve. We're going to do a few little trails in here. I'm here with Jason today. He's on my old Sherman. We changed colors because I'm more of a red guy and he's more of a blue, so all we did was snap off the pecs and rewrap the top bars with tape, and look at those cool pit vipers that he's wearing. So those are the first giveaway. So I'm wearing the red pit vipers, he's wearing turquoise. We're gonna do this little trail and then keep on moving. This is the Conestee Nature Preserve. All right. What trail is this?
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals.
Nice little trail.
All of a sudden I don't look
beautiful little gym here in Conestee, South Carolina.
I'm sorry that I'm so
right outside of Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to take the loop and go back up and around. We're on the river here. It's a nice little preserve. Got to watch these roots. Pretty heavy roots. Awesome. I got my tether for the first time today. Hooked to me. So, having a little bit of a ride out here. Beautiful area. Stuff out here. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain. Nice back up in here. We're on the Conestee River. On a little back trail. Checking it out. Gotta watch these banana roots. Whoa, pretty heavy, pretty big. Not too bad though, not too shabby. It's a beautiful day to be out riding. Not sure what trailhead this was. Look at them roots. Plan on getting the master here soon. The master would be awesome. Take up a lot of the shock from the roots and rocks and boulders and stuff. It's our nature preserve. How you doing today? You enjoying yourself? It's beautiful out here. It's the most well-kept gym in South Carolina, I think. Awesome. All right. So, Coyote Cut Through is what this is called. We'll give it a few seconds. I'm talking to my camera. I'm waiting on my buddy too. So this is a Coyote Cut Through we're going on. There's Jason, he made it. He got back up with us. Whoa. Here we go, Coyote Cut Through. Awesome little cut through. Beautiful out here, isn't it? All right, back up the heavy root system. We call these banana roots. Gonna jump these two. There we go. Nice little jump. Look at this little lookout they have up here. Isn't that awesome? Wow, that's cool. Watch these banana roots. Whoa. Throw you for a little bit of loop. So that was the Coyote Cut Through. So that's where we started, and we're going right back up to the Conestee Nature Preserve. That was a nice little ride. I enjoyed that. Peace out.